I'm Shagari Paithankar, and this is a task 1 of my Data Science and Business Analytics Internship program at Sparks Foundation. So, this task is about data prediction using supervised ML. The problem statement is to predict the scores of the student based on the number of hours studied. For this, they have given their own data set. I have imported the following required libraries, that is pandas, matplotlib, and scikit-learn. From scikit-learn, we have used a linear model that contains the linear regression property. I have read the data from the given data set and printed it. As you can see, there are 25 values in the data set. To give the visualization of the above data set, I have used the matplotlib and represented the data set as such scattered points. I gave the x-axis the label number of hours studied and y-axis the label marks scored. I use peer.scatter for representation of the data. As we can see, the data has been represented using the scattered points. To predict the scores, we need to train the data. And for training the data, basically I objectified the linear model from scikit-learn into L. And then I tried to fit the line into it that goes across these all scattered points, that is the number of hours studied versus the mark score. As we know, the equation of the linear regression is y equal to mx plus c, where y is output and the slope and c is y-intercept. Here I took m as slope and b as y-intercept. So predicted score is equal to r studied into the slope plus the y-intercept. Now we have got the predicted score. Now we can plot the predicted graph of r studied versus mark score. To show the linear regression line, I have used the plot for the hours which is scored marks. The linear regression line looks as follows. To test the model, we have to take a random value and test the model. For testing, I took a function called lPrediction and used the formula score equals to m into r plus b, which is similar to y equals to mx plus c, where m equal to slope, x equals to r, and b is y-intercept. So the problem statement said that we have to predict the score for the student who studied for 9.25 hours per day. We can clearly see that if the student studies for 9.2 hours, the predicted score is 92.9099. To check the error of the model, that is difference between actual score and predicted score, we use the mean absolute error method. In mean absolute error, we take the distance of the points and line and then add them and square them. In this way, we get the mean absolute error and we get to know about the efficiency of the model. Here, the mean absolute error is 4.972, which is very low. This was all about my prediction model of task 1. Thank you.